Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila from PBIA and with A number 24021100 and 9. Now I will review a journal with title Verbal and Non-Verbal Communication Insight from EVL Classroom Interaction. The authors Muhammad Halindia, Dan Erlina, Leni Marzulina, Herizal, Hikmah Zalipa Putri, and Paras Junior. The purpose of the study was to identify and analyze the types and function of verbal and non-verbal communication used by an English teacher in an EVL classroom. The researchers aimed to understand how this communication strategy support student engagement and language development during classroom interaction. Design of the study. The study used to qualitative care study design. The researchers conducted the first classroom observation where teacher and student interaction class were seconded through use and photos. And the second, some structured interview when section open in question to gather in-depth information about the teacher verbal and non-verbal communication practice. All data were then transcribed to allow detailed analysis of communication patterns. And the third, location and participant of the study. Location SMA Tuns Bangsa, Palembang. Participant 1 English, teacher and student from one English class. Participants were questioned using purposes sampling. The international that because the teacher was known to use both verbal and non-verbal communication actually, and the class provided suitable conditions for observing EVL interaction. And the C, data collection. Data were collected through semi-structured interview and classroom observation, video recording, video document, and photograph were used to obtain detailed information about the teacher verbal and non-verbal communication. And 7, the data analysis describe the process in analyze the data. The researchers used semantic analysis involving transcription, coding, categorizing, and identify themes related to verbal and non-verbal communication practice, observation in the classroom. And the 8 major findings. The study found 2 categories of verbal communication, oral and written, and several types of non-verbal communication, facial expression, posture, gesture, eye contact, operance, haptics, proxemics, and oralize. Verbal communication was used to deliver explanation and instruction clearly, while non-verbal communication help maintain classroom atmosphere, instruct student and attention, motive learners, and translate the clarify of message. And last, connection with relevant study. A relevant study was done by Ainun Rifki, Wildan Isna Ashai, and Statistic 2024. In their journal entitled The Influence of Teachers' Nonverbal Communication on Student Interest in Learning English at Jinta Diploma 1, Vol 24, No. 2, and page 263 and 270. The study showed that teacher nonverbal communication such as social expression, body movements, eye contact, and vocal intonation play a significant role in influencing student interest in learning English. The findings indicate that when teachers use non-verbal cues actively, students become more bonded, enthusiastic, and motivated during the learning process. Nonverbal communication contributes meaningful the involving student learning interest in the EVA classroom. I think. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.